So starting them again. It has mapped a perfect rectangle of this area. See how he gets on. So he still hasn't picked up all the dirt yet, just surface dirt. But he's getting there. If you remember what the sofa looked like before, behind, right next to it, that's definitely significantly better. In fact, it's almost spotless, almost. It's still working on a few bits, but use the hand there. Look at that. So that's not bad at all. Still a few little specks. And what is really noticeable, and I've noticed this even on a carpet that hasn't been saturated with dirt, is once the Roomba's actually cleaned on it, walking on it barefoot feels very different. It feels a lot softer. That's just one of the things I really love about the Roomba. The way it leaves the carpet sometimes. Oh, looks like we've got a problem. Is it time to just jack it in, call it a day? Looks like it. Could it be the bin's full again? Again, he thinks it's over, but it's probably the bin.